Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. Cognizant finally sending the interview mail update to candidates after completing aptitude assessment. Finally, candidate received the interview update. CIS interview 24 hiring. Engineer training hiring is related. Result is declared. Aptitude assessment result is received. Let's start the video. First of all, we already created the Cognizant 24 hiring playlist in which total 10 videos are there. We will share the next videos as well in this playlist. Okay, let's start the today's video. This type of mail is received by candidate, but before going on to the mail, we have to discuss some most important point. Hi Online Learning, I got Cognizant mail for interview. Basically friends, yesterday I am out of town, that's why I unable to make the video at night because I am traveling, but currently I am making the video for all of you. So let's crack the Cognizant. I request you, please help me to prepare for interview. Thanks for guiding me in 2 rounds because we share each and every video for free. I asked to candidate what's your course and batch. BTech CEC 24, yes, CIS role engineer trainee. So I asked how was your aptitude experience. So I have seen your video one day before, that was helpful me in aptitude. The bits are easy to medium level. If we know the formula and tricks, we can do easily within time. Reasoning have completed in 20 minutes. Quant aptitude has taken for me. There is no game based aptitude. It's quite simple exam. We can able to see all the question by section wise. Reasoning 30 question. Quant will be active after completing quant 30 question. Okay, so total 60 question and 60 minutes of time. Okay, 60 question and 60 minutes of time will be there. Okay, total 60 minutes. If we complete reasoning fast, we can focus on the quant. So after completing your aptitude assessment, candidate receive this type of mail. Okay, so what's our first round? First of all, there is a shortlisting process on the basis of resume. After that, communication round will be there. Okay, that's your first round. And after communication, if you cleared the communication, there is a aptitude round. Okay, purely communication is a elimination round because some of the candidate only receive the aptitude round. And the final is your technical interview. That is your interview in which technical HR most probably. Okay, so dear candidate, greetings from Cognizant. We are pleased to inform that you have been shortlisted for interview as part of Cloud Infrastructure and Security CIS off campus hiring. Kindly await for the patience for further communication on interview slot. Okay, please note that Cognizant has zero tolerance toward any malpractice, inappropriate behavior or unacceptable clothing during interview. So this is the do's. Join at least 10 minutes prior to the scheduled time to check the link and connectivity. Join only via laptop, desktop. Mobile phone is prohibited. Do a live test demo to check your compatibility of laptop. Ensure a stable internet connection. Use only Chrome browser. Disable pop-up blocker in the Chrome browser. Check if your video and audio work properly prior to joining the interview video. Have a hard copy of college ID, 10th, 12th, diploma, UG mark sheet and hall ticket to share it during the interview. Soft copies are also acceptable. So the thing is, this is very important guys. This is very important. You have you have hard copy of your college. Soft copies are also acceptable. College ID, 10, 12, diploma, UG mark sheet and hall ticket if they send. Provide required permission to microphone and camera in your browser. Attend the interview from noise-free environment. Adhere to interview dress code, business formal or smart business casual. Okay, you have to know these important points and this is the do's before before going into Cognizant interview. This is the don'ts. Switch the tab on your device once you are in interview video. Ask a personal question. Ask the interview about the outcome of interview, project detail. Use regional language for communication during interview. This is the don'ts guys. Okay, so please you have to read about the do's and don'ts. And best wishes, human resource Gen Z. So I suggest you have to ready these documents, hard copy of college, 10th, 12th, diploma, UG mark sheet. Okay, so the thing is, and hall ticket to share it during interview. So if they share the hall ticket, you can share. Okay, otherwise you have to just be ready with the 10th, 12th diploma and UG mark sheet. Okay, so the thing is how was your interview for the CIS role? So basically I will come up with another video in which I will share each and every detail of CIS. Okay, how to prepare for CIS interview and what for that. If I'm talk about the particular CIS interview, okay, so as we know that most probably technical plus HR will be there. So your introduction will be there. Okay, Job description related question, definitely they will ask. Okay, job description, because this is related to CIS DJ, like CIS engineer trainee. So are you aware about the job description or not? Okay, they will ask some situation based question, like you want work in technical or voice process as well, or IT support as well. Okay, they will also ask questions related to your projects. Okay, technologies in which you work. They will also ask questions related to your hobbies. Okay, how why do you want to join Cognizant? This type of question they will be asked. I will come up with several interview experience. Some of the experience I also find, okay, Cognizant interview experience in which candidates shared the update, okay, like on the GFG website. Okay, so the thing is, I will come up with the video in which I will share each and everything that is related to CIS. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video.